Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Tech Mahindra, I take this opportunity to present our product, Saral Rozgar. So, you know, in India today, we are reaching nearly 100% of mobile penetration. Wow, big market. Everybody has been talking about it. But isn't it the story that everybody is talking about mobile as it, for the product and services, everybody is talking about mobile youth, the urban youth? What about the bottom of the pyramid customer, the huge market available out here? Who's caring for them? And at best, the kind of services that are getting available for this bottom of the pyramid customer is basic information services. Are they not, relevant people to actually talk about connected services, the kind of services that we use on internet? So that's where Mahindra Group, given its three rise tenets of accepting no limits, alternate thinking, and driving positive change, they want to bring out a socially responsible business model to create services and applications relevant to this mass market and bridge the digital device per se. So the first thing that we want to drive is create the lifestyle, create the life scope for this mass market. How do we do it? It all started with an FGD we did in way back in 2010. We did an FGD, a detailed FGD, going to the to the remote areas, to the Class B and Class C towns, to understand what is the psychography and the requirement of this mass bottom of the pyramid customers that we have. Interesting factors came in. They are willing to consume services. They are in the need of services. They have the mobile phone to consume those services and are willing to pay for those services. It's only that the services has to be delivered on their choice of medium and choice of connectivity. That is probably their mobile phone. They cannot go on internet and consume services. They cannot go on, they cannot even consume internet over their mobile as well. So what is to be done? We came out with a thought process of creating Saral as a bouquet of services. Saral, as the name suggests in India, means easy. So we came out with the concept of creating a bouquet of utility services targeted towards these bottom of the pyramid customer, which they can consume over mobile, in their native language, on voice. The first product out of this bouquet is Saral Rozgar. So what is Saral Rozgar? Before getting into Saral Rozgar as a product, I just want to take a quick few seconds to make you understand what happens in the current scenario. In India has a very, not only India, it's like in any developing nation, there is a paradoxical situation. People are willing to take jobs, but they are not getting jobs. Industries, corporates are willing to give jobs, but they are not getting the right candidates. The gap between these two is typically because the whole blue-collar job market is unorganized. It's completely unorganized, which is leading to the flourishing of the middlemen and the agents, which fleece these job seekers, coming from Bihar or coming from remote areas. They get fleeced by the hand of these middlemen and pay like a salary of their 1 month salary or thousands of rupees just to get a job. Whereas industries are looking for such people. So how do we avoid this? There is an urgent need to get some organization, some kind of an organized marketplace in to change this whole situation. That's where Saral Rozgar steps in. We have created the first ever mobile-based organized marketplace for the blue-collar job market. What it does is, Saral Rozgar merits the benefits of IT, telecom, BPO, web, and on-ground ecosystem. And it's also an assisted VAS service, so there's a customer care right behind. Marrying all these technologies into one piece is Saral Rozgar. What happens on Saral Rozgar? A job seeker, a potential worker, he just calls up a pan-India number, number which is pan-India, available on a pan-India basis. He just have to give the call. The very first call this job seeker makes goes to a registered BPO of Tech Mahindra, that is the Saral Rozgar BPO call center. The agent out there handles that call personally and makes the profile of this job seeker. Now, this profile of this job seeker, and he captures the basic requirements: name, age, location, the kind of work he has been doing, the experience he has, the education qualification, everything, the location where he wants to work, the kind of salary he's expecting. So effectively what is happening is we are creating the first ever profile of this job seeker on internet. Once this profile is created, it gets posted on saralrozgar.com.
Anshu, you got a minute? You got a minute, please?
Yeah, sure. I'll just go. So now this person is digitally available. Once he's digitally available, corporates, SMEs, industries, people like you and me can, basis our requirement, go on Saral Rozgar either through voice or on web and can search out this candidate, and not only search out this candidate through advanced algorithms, can also reach out to this candidate through the Saral Rozgar platform itself. So it provides the functionality of voice calls, it provides the connectivity through SMS, it provides automated alert mechanism. So effectively what we are doing is we are benefiting all the players in the ecosystem, the job seekers, the job providers, to not only to seek out each other, but to connect with each other. It's just a marketplace. We are trying to do away from the middleman and the agency model. People, if they want each other, they can communicate with each other. Somebody might be using mobile, somebody might be using web, but they can interface with each other seamlessly. The product requires, the service, it's a service, it's a platform. It requires huge ecosystem. Some we have developed, some is in progress, some might come as the time progresses. But it's a huge, huge ecosystem game. We manage the complete end-to-end lifecycle management for both job seeker as well as job providers. And, so there are technology pieces also involved to it. It uses speech to text, text to speech, collated jobs information at one place, centralized data bank, centralized call collation. It's huge technology as well that is being built. Till date, we have won many awards on this, and today I'm, including National Telecom Award, Manthan Award, Graham Bell Award, and today I'm, just hoping that I'll get some award out here as well. And that's it. Thank you. Just one more thing. This is not only limited to India. So we have started with India. World is the market for this. Any developing nation, Saral Rozgar is something that can be replicated. Thanks a lot. Thanks, Pranam.
Sure. Thank you.
Baba Jobs is our strategic partner. So we are integrating our data banks with Baba Jobs.
They're not using, there's no platform.
No, so technology-wise, Baba Jobs is not using our technology, but we are, sharing our data banks. Anybody else? Yeah, please.
So it's essentially for a service which is targeted towards the job seekers or
Both.
the providers?
Both. Completely both. Single, as I said, this is a service which requires both the entities to seamlessly connect with each other. If only job seekers come, the service won't fly. So it requires job providers equally. So as a job provider, as a job provider can go on saralrozgar.com, you can call up the number, give your requirements, and you'll be connected. So today, if you want a driver, log into Saral Rozgar, give your details, whatever you want, where do you want a driver, the salary, kind of salary you are expected to give, all that stuff. There's an advanced algorithm built. It'll match the relevant candidates, and a message and a voice call will be sent automatically to those candidates that such and such person is willing. If you are interested, please apply.
Yeah. Second question. What are the marketing tools you are using to promote this concept?
Oh, so yeah, nice question. We have just concluded first round of radio spots as well, radio campaign as well. So we are organizing job fairs, we are organizing, on-ground promotion mechanisms, we are doing radio spots, we are doing press ads, whatever it takes, through operators, mobile network operators, whatever it takes to. So a big service requires time, gestation period is high. Given the Mahindra group backup, we are investing heavily into this product, and this is the way forward. So Saral Rozgar, as I told, Rozgar is the first product. You're talking about multiple products rolling out on the same platform.
If I really simplify it and look at it, then So there was this unorganized way of getting jobs, and there were these people who were making a lot of money, and now they have been pushed back, and there's an organized platform. But is there a comparative study done on the expenditure per employee, per employment generated? Because now again, these people who are at these call centers, plus the technology, etc., it's going to be a cost tool. Second, the other part is that, of course, this is a great platform, but also there are a lot of people who are still not accessing it. And these people who are working in an unorganized manner, they have this knack of reaching out to particularly those people. So how are you kind of taking care of that?
I completely agree with you. There will be a time before everyone in need of such service will get to, probably he was also asking the same question about the awareness. When will people come to know? It will take some time for that ecosystem for the full-blown ecosystem to come in place. But yes, we are on our path. Now, think about a situation. So to answer collectively on your first point as well, think about a situation of a worker in the remote village of Bihar. He wants to get a job. He'll get a job in an urban area like in Delhi or Mumbai. How will he get a job? He comes down, goes to an agent, pays 1,000, 2,000 rupees, stays unemployed for 1 month or 2 months with his relative or anyone, and then gets a job. Now, with this kind of platform, he can, sitting in his home in native village, he can dial up, register himself, tell that I want to get a job of such and such criteria in Delhi or in Mumbai, get a job, and then land in Delhi and Mumbai and start working. So rather than he traveling without anything to an urban area. So that cost, nobody can assert.
Just one last question to somebody at the back who is raising their hand, please. Yeah. Can we please keep it as the last question so we can move on? Keep it offline.
One is, of course, taking on from what this gentleman was talking about, making people aware, especially the base of the pyramid, about the existence of this service. Wanted to suggest that you consider community radio across India as a medium. It's much cheaper than commercial FM, more bang for your buck, and you actually reach the audience you want.
Very valid point. We are actually, we are actually discussing on the same lines currently.
Okay. And the other was, I wanted to ask, because, I'm aware of Baba Job and another organization called Be Able, and I'm hearing Saral Rozgar. What's the biggest challenge? I mean, surely it's sounding really good, and it's definitely something that is needed. What's the problem?
Problem per se is, it's like a chicken and egg story. It's the basic issue is, one thing is, it's like a big system that you are trying to establish. So it takes time, effort, energy, and cost. The another problem on the ground level is, it's like a chicken and egg story. You get, unless and until you get plenty of jobs, people who are registering as a job seeker, they don't get excited. Unless and until you get enough people on board who are looking for jobs, the job providers are not interested in coming and asking for the job seekers. So both these pillars have to go up together in a cohesive manner. That's where it requires a lot of effort and a lot of energy and a lot of synchronization as well.
All right. Thanks, Anshu.